So this is perfect for when you need to run out the house real quick, or maybe you don't need to leave the house, but you want to look cute while you're in the house. If you're doing some cleaning or lounging on the couch with Faye, make this ahead of time, and then you can pop her on when you need some quick casual chic. The hair that I'm using for this, I am obsessed with. It is my new obsession. This is Slay pre-stretched braiding hair. This is Black owned. It is the most silky, beautiful, like I can't even believe that it's braiding hair. It feels like human hair that you would use for like a sew-in. But the best part is it's not human hair prices. It is Kanekalon braiding hair prices. It is itch-free. It is just absolutely amazing. Give me 14 of them. Now this hair is 54 inches. Today I'm going to use 2 packs in the color Cocoa and 1 pack in 27. So grab a scarf or handkerchief, make sure that it's cotton, because if it's silk or satin, it's going to slip. And then also some fabric glue. Now, huge asterisk here. You can also use hair bonding glue, and if I were to do this again, that's what I would use. I would use a black scarf and black hair bonding glue. Okay, so you want to lay that scarf out at a diagonal, so it looks like a diamond. And you want to cover the middle part with a layer of the glue, whatever glue that you're using. And then you want to smooth that out. I'm using the back end of a rat tail comb. Then you're going to lay that braiding hair down lengthwise, fan it out, and then press it down into the glue. I'm going to add some more glue on top and then add my highlight color, which is number 27. Fan that out in the middle. And then I use the rat tail comb to really like smush that glue in and get everything saturated, because I also need the glue to make all the hair stick together when I fold it over. All right, so that's all nice and mushed. Now I'm going to pick this up, fold it over, press everything down nice and tight, and then I'm drying it with a blow dryer with cool air. Okay, now she's done. All right, now you're just going to put this on like a regular scarf. Now, because it's cotton, it's going to stay in place. I wore this for hours and it didn't slip at all. You can see the fabric glue through this particular scarf, which is what I don't like. So that's why, if I were going to do it again, I would use a black scarf and black hair bonding glue, because then you could just wear the scarf by itself. It would look cute like this. Now we have to cut it, because when you put it on and tie it, some of those pieces are going to fall much shorter than the other pieces. So I'm going to cut it all even. If you really want to go in, you could layer it. And then I just snipped those ends going vertically to make them look a little more natural and a little less blunt. And there she is. When she starts getting a little long in the tooth and tangly and snaggly, you can just throw this away. It's braiding hair. But we love a cheap, quick, protective vibe.